Good morning. Good morning, guys. Valentine's Day. Late na itong ating vlog. No, nauna yung ating regalo kasi advance gift. Advance na pugos gift si Mister sa ating relo. So kaya, yan na pugos dito sa durong tami. Advance Happy Valentine's. Belated na pala di ay. So, ngayon guys, good morning. Magluto tayo ng miss ko yung cassava cake. Budbud ba? Meron akong suman. I-steam ko lang siya, guys, no? And I like eating this one, guys, kasi gives me diarrhea ba? And for some reason, hindi man siya, this is not bad. It's just my stomach mag-react siya, guys. So, I like it. My husband don't like it. If the food give him problem, he doesn't like it. Maybe you should try, honey. It will clean your intestine. No, this is cassava. It's just wrapped with banana leaves. Do you want me to make you heart egg? You sure? I know you want some breakfast. Do you want pancake?
No, thank you.
Adoy, oy, I'm not gonna ask you again, oy. Sige, nagpakain lang kami sa mga alaga. Maaga kami ngayong gumising. Usually, tami magising yan very late. Magluto tayo mamaya ng ating kakainin kasi hindi kami ni Tami mag-date. Wala kaming date. So, dito na lang kami sa bahay mag-date at nag-prepare naman ako kahapon ng nag-prepare ako kahapon ng ito siya. So, yun yung ating gagawin. And then, malinis po yung kamay ko. Naghugas ako, guys. Kararating lang namin, no? And then, doon, ang ingay sa taas. Rinig niyo? I-overnight po ito, guys. Season, guys. Overnight. So, yun yung ating gagawin. And then, bukas atin itong lulutuin. So, ito siya. Ilagay natin sa refrigerator overnight, guys. And then, yun siya. Grabe si Tami. Uy, nakaka-annoying talaga itong asawa ko, guys. As in, sabihin ko sa inyo. Kapag meron niya sa sigawin, guys, mataranta ako. Kaya ako, aligaga din akong sundan siya. Tulungan kasi, ang ingay. Maaga po ako ngayon magluto kasi every night magpunta kami doon sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami every night para yung pusa. Nakagat nga ako, guys. Itong kagat ko, guys, ang nangyari, ngulngul siya. Pero yung pusa nila is kasi dito sa US, mga hayop, ini-injectionan talaga yan ng anti-rabies. So, kaya yun. Ito naman siya, ngulngul siya dahil, hindi ko alam, dahil very siya, sensitive yung part na nakauras niya. Pinaka-soft sa aking pinky. Hindi ako kinagat, kinakamras. Inaganon, so kaya, yun. Or just the cat. He's looking at me. He's listening, honey. Ako yung pumili nito and hopefully it's true of what I said to Tommy na matamis kasi I told him, oh, this is sweet. This is ready to throw out. Alam na this. It smells so sweety. It smells sweety, love. So my husband is going to work. Shopping again. This is what I said. It was like kind of like soft. So this is it siya. Nasobrahan siya na bunog ba. So this is bunog. This part right here.
See you later. Pineapple girl, is it sweet? Doesn't look very sweet. Looks a little.
I love you. It's injected pineapple.
Yeah.
Be careful, Han. Pay attention your drive. Mga pineapple talaga dito sa US. So, kung dito kayo sa US and then babalik kayo ng Pilipinas, unahin nyo bili yung pineapple, you can see the difference. Kasi, nung umuwi ako, grabe. Ang kaibahan ng pineapple sa Pilipinas at dito. Anyway, so ipahid natin siya. Hindi ko siya kakamayin sana, kaso ganito na lang, no? Anak, ganun na lang. Saksak natin ito, guys. And ito. Na, pinatay ni Tami. Nakalimutan ko, pinatay niya, guys. Habang habang nagluluto ako. Aguroy! Pinatay niya. So where am I gonna cook this thing?
What?
I was cooking.
Oh, sorry. Can we turn it back on until you're done?
No. I was cooking prime rib. So now, can I put the toaster here? Right here?
Go ahead. So the idea was for me to come. Oh, you want to be fair? In the garage on top of the water bottles by the door. Just get me the thing over there.
Okay.
Right on top of the water bottles.
Manugo pa jud, I am doing something. Kasabot eh. Ana ay bulak man ni oy. Aguroy. Akala ko yung water. Flower man ni oy, guba-guba man ning flower ni Mohan. Aguroy. Thank you. But this I
One of
like.
these heads broke off.
Yeah. I love you. Thank you.
You didn't shut off the outlet.
Huh?
Did not shut this outlet off.
Halahan, so what are you doing now?
I'll have to go try a different breaker now.
Yeah, go. You have to shut it off. You have to shut it off. Ay.
So I'll tell you what to look for.
Huh?
I'll show you what to look for.
What do you want me to do?
So I'm going to show you how to tell when it's off.
Okay, sure. Okay. Hi guys! So ito na guys, binilhan ako ni Mister ng bulaklak, nakauwi na siya. And ito siya, ang thankful na orchid yung binili niya kasi gustong gusto ko yung orchid. At ito din, look. So ano lang, masaya ako dahil, you know, alam niyo na, kahit bulaklak yan, masaya ako. And ito na yung ating prime rib. O, diba? I-stop ko na yan, malapit ng maluto. At ilagay ko lang siya dyan. Luto tayo na, tumiloan. Anong paborito, Mister? Nakata paborito. Papsi, what are you doing? Pati nang tatanggalin.
Good job.
Ha?
Good job.
Something. Sana hilaw ito. Kasi kapag hindi hilaw, hindi masaya si Mister. You know. Alam nyo na ibig kong sabihin. Kapag hindi siya pink, hindi si Mister masaya. So, ako naman, uy, ito yung kanyang, bone. So, gusto ko lutuin ko pa siya guys, kasi may pink pa yung bone. And you know, in the Mary like dead on arrival.
Okay.
Butterfly! 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 Roxanne! Dito tayo kukuha ng taba. At saka butter. Look, oh. Kita niyo guys. Kita niyo guys. It's very pinkish pa. Si Indemirian, ayaw ng ganyan. Gusto ko talaga, mag-cut din ako dito. This is Tammy's favorite uncooked. So, ako naman, nag-cut ako. And then, ating lutuin. What happened to my thing? not doing it because it's offline.
No, it doesn't matter if it's offline. It means you can't turn on and off.
Usually, alis kami ng bahay madilim na, pero ngayon, ano siya, mahayag-hayag pa. And, tayo doon. Hi, Dong!
Where you from, Dunk?
Dudong tami!
Not a dunk.
Lang lang!
Not a dunk.
Lang lang!
Not a dunk either.
Lang lang. Hi guys, ang dilim-dilim no? Teka muna. Hello, good evening. So, mag-ano na kami guys, matulog na. Kasi ano na, 10:30 na. Kagabi, alam nyo, kagabi natulog kami. Ako, 1 o'clock na ako nakatulog kagabi. And yun yung problema. Kasi lately, matagal kami ni Taming matutulog. And then, maagang gumising. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nakasanayan na namin ni Mr. matulog ng sobrang late. Yung hindi ko talaga mag-gets. At ang dami kong nilagay na bandage sa kamay ko kasi sobrang dry guys. And yun, mag-toothbrush lang ako guys and matulog tayo. Anyway, so yun, matulog kasi pagod. Tignan nga natin. Ang dami din yung order eh. Ang dami niyang mga order. Ewan. Hindi ko alam anong nangyari sa akin. Ang daming order.
Right over here, Tess. Good morning, Jack. Can I have a word with you? What is that?
My laundry boy. Labas siya. He did the laundry first. I was planning to do it. For tomorrow. Don't give me that look. So, and then he did it. Ay, so bukas, trabaho tayo dito. I like the orchids. Thank you, love. I really like it. The flower, the orchids, I like it. Say hi to my baby. Horsey. What, you're doing more laundry? Ang dami pa pala yung laundry. Naglaba pa siya guys. Naghakot pa. Meron pa pala. Oh my God. Laundry boy. Hi, love.